Hey everyone, it's Alessandro Bruxel from Home Chef Seattle. Today I'm going to be sharing with you all the recipe for a nice and creamy asparagus soup. And we're going to be serving it with some spears of asparagus wrapped with crispy prosciutto. It's quite yummy. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started. To start, finely chop one small or half large yellow onion. Two cloves of garlic, next wash and remove the woody ends of about 1.5 to 2 pounds of asparagus. The best way to do this is to just snap it using your fingers. Then cut the asparagus into 1-inch pieces. Again, discard the ends. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a large saucepan over medium-high heat. Add the onions and saute until nice and translucent. Then add the garlic and the asparagus. Season with salt and black pepper, then saute it for about 2 minutes. Add 3 to 4 cups of chicken broth. Should be just enough to cover the asparagus. Bring it to a boil and then reduce to a simmer. While the soup simmers, wrap a few spears of asparagus with prosciutto. Put them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and bake it in a preheated oven at 385 Fahrenheit. Back to the soup. The asparagus is done when they break and smash easily when pressed with a spoon against the side of the pan. Transfer the asparagus to a mixer and blend it until nice and smooth. You can also use an immersion blender if you have it. Return the soup to the pan, taste it, and adjust the seasoning. Also add some cayenne pepper for heat. Then add half cup of heavy cream. And the soup is ready. At this time, the asparagus wrapped with prosciutto should be ready too. Remove it from the oven once the prosciutto is crispy. To serve, add the soup to the plate and top it with a few of the prosciutto wrapped asparagus. Add a drizzle of fresh cream, and an extra sprinkle of cayenne or black pepper. I hope you guys have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.